Thor and Wonder Woman enter the ruins of Olympus. Thunder cracks above, metal clanks, and the ground shakes loudly. Zeus steps from smoke, eyes with fear and steady power. Thor raises Mjolnir, Wonder Woman grips her bracelet tightly. They trade hits, but Zeus sets traps for hope. A fallen column blocks an escape, forcing brave plan. They choose teamwork, not pride, to save ruined city. Wonder Woman distracts Zeus with fast arrows of light. Thor charges, then shoots bright lightning around the crumbling columns. Zeus roars, slips on rubble, and falls into crack. The duel ends, peace returns, and Olympus sighs with relief. They help the people rise, promising future courage together.